Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to explain the pH applications. What is pH? The power of acidity or basicity. That basic applications are needed for our daily use. So first one is aquatic animals, how they are surviving in river water or in sea water. They are in a narrow pH scale. If that acidity of that water is increased, they cannot survive. Less than 5.5 pH if it is there, like acid rain if it fall and mixed with the aquatic water, then they cannot survive. They will suffer and they may die because of that acidic condition. Same like toothpaste. Our food particles which are stuck up in between that teeth are affected by bacteria and releasing hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is corroding our tooth enamel and making cavities in our tooth. So that acidity should be neutralized. For that we are applying a basic substance, that is our toothpaste. Toothpaste is a mild base which has basic substance and neutralizes the hydrochloric acid produced by bacteria, and it is the remedy for that cleaning of our teeth and protecting our tooth enamel. Next, antacid. What is this antacid? It is also a mild base substance which one used to get relief from that acidic condition of our stomach. Our stomach already producing hydrochloric acid. That acid, when it is increased in digestion time, it is increased more and more and causing acidity in our stomach and gives pain. To avoid that, a mild antacid tablets are taken. That antacid nothing but a mild base and it neutralizes that acidity created by that hydrochloric acid which are secreted by our stomach wall. Next, soil pH. What is this soil pH? Our crop protection field has soil. That soil may be acidic or basic. We don't know. We should test that acidic condition or basic condition of that soil by a soil test. After collecting some samples from different places of our crop field, we can test with the litmus papers or universal indicator liquids or soil testing kits. Using that some amount of acid or basic, which type that soil is there, we should check it. After that we can convert if it is high acidic, we can neutralize by using basic fertilizers. If it is high base condition, we should use some acidic salt fertilizers to neutralize that or decrease its condition. Then only it is suitable, ideal for that particular crop, and we can cultivate that crop in good condition. Good yield we can get. Next, animals in our surrounding and plants in our surrounding have self defense. Sometimes we can get a bee sting our body. That time we are getting some irritation or burning pain. Why it is? It is secreting some amount of formic acid, like that some acids are injected by that bees. It is neutralized by applying a baking soda powder. It is a base. Then we can get remedy. Same like in our surrounding nettle leaves are there. It is that the hairs, if it touch, we may get irritation. That the hairs are injecting some methanoic acid, like that some acid it is injecting on our body. So it is irritating. If we use a dog plant, a leaves on that area which we got irritation, that dog plants basic essence, leaves essence will neutralize that acidity, and we can get rid of that situation. These are the applications discussed in our textbook.